It's very noisy with these two, but I love the noise and the atmosphere within my family. It's just really loving. I looked up to all the previous head girls, but I never really thought I would be in their position. But when it came to year 11 and year 12, when I started joining councils, volunteering for any leadership opportunities, being student voice for the community of learning, the kahoiako within Manurewa area, prize givings and whānau celebrations. I was quite hesitant at first. It was the concept around believing in myself and how my grandparents always motivated me to just go for it. Don't hold back because you'll regret it. Something in life that everyone should have is no regrets. I talked to a few people about why do they truant, and so they were just telling me about how their classes are boring. I asked them, what are the benefits of truanting? Like, if you're not in class, are you gonna get any learning, or are you gonna get a good future from it? Like, because you're not in class learning anything that will help benefit you. I try to just talk to the students, not force them to go to class, but just to see their perspective, but it's not really beneficial for their future. I love how much of an impact and how much of an influence all my previous primary school teachers have upon me, as well as my nana, who's also a primary school teacher. She's one of my biggest inspirations of why I want to take up primary school teaching.
Hi, my name is Sally Pritchard. We're currently at Tiha, which is a working space in the heart of South Auckland, being Manuka. So during high school, we were a part of a business scheme around young entrepreneurs during high school. So the idea was to identify a problem and then make a solution out of the business idea. And so that being, we created Tiny Management. Tiny Management is a business we're looking to be one of the most leading management agencies for young people based out in South Auckland, as well as the wider of Auckland, and that being Māori and Pacific young people wanting opportunities and paid opportunities in the market of modelling and music, and that being at a real grassroots level or a real big scaled event.
My name is Shailen Patel and I manage the education space for MYB across New Zealand. So we work with a number of institutions, secondary and tertiary, to help their students with their education and career journey.
I've got a video here of the head girl of Manurewa High School, Porsha, just around some of her skills that she's developed through this leadership journey and being head girl this year. So maybe let's check it out, eh? Hey Porsha, how are you?
Good, thanks.
Sort of just update me on how you are now in receiving the role of head girl of Manurewa High.
It's actually really fun because you can talk and engage with other students that you haven't met before. So there's a few students who want to start taking up leadership roles. They're just asking what they should do or how are they going to get there. So within school, there's always the councils that they can be a part of, where there's a lot of things to do within those councils. I just think just putting yourself out there and being, I reckon, optimistic and confident, being happy, being proud and being confident in what you do.
And coming into the role of head girl, what did that look like for yourself in applying for head girl? What does it mean to you now?
Over time, I learnt that you have to be patient, that you have to be committed. You have to learn how to balance things. So there's academics and then there's leadership roles and there's extracurricular activities and then there's families. Being head girl has been like a huge learning experience. I'm still learning different skills and just trying to be more confident in what I do.
Oh, well, know that you are an inspiration every time that you do stand up in assembly. Thank you.
Thank you.
I think it's great. It's great to hear her speak with such pride and confidence. So what's also great to see here is the range of skills that she's using and developing day to day, which is going to be so important in the workplace, being able to articulate all the different skills she's developed while being head girl. A lot of responsibility, a lot of different skills. Really good to see how those sort of positions within a school can affect not only her own journey, but then as you said at the end, the inspiration she is to her peers.